Ever felt like the world of finance is stuck in the past? Paper checks, bank statements arriving weeks late, and a system that feels designed for a bygone era. That's where cryptocurrency steps in, a whole new way to think about money. But with all this innovation comes a new set of questions. If you're considering diving into crypto, you've probably come across Coinbase, a popular platform for buying, selling, and trading digital currencies. But have you ever stopped to wonder who exactly is behind the wheel? Who is Coinbase owned by? The answer might surprise you. Unlike traditional banks with a long history and a clear ownership structure, Coinbase isn't owned by a single entity. It's a company that was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, with a vision of making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Their journey is fascinating, from convincing people that digital currencies weren't just a fad, to navigating the ever-changing regulatory landscape. But instead of going down a traditional ownership route, Coinbase took a different path. In 2012, they secured funding from venture capital firms. These are essentially investment companies that pool money from various sources and back promising startups. In Coinbase's case, these firms saw the potential of crypto and decided to take a chance. Now, venture capital funding might sound complicated, but it essentially means that ownership of Coinbase is spread out among these different investment firms. Some of the big names include Andreessen Horowitz, a powerhouse in the tech world, and Sequoia Capital, known for backing companies like Apple and Google. This decentralized ownership structure has its advantages. Coinbase benefits from the expertise and resources of these established firms, allowing them to grow and innovate at a rapid pace. However, it also means there's no single controlling shareholder. This can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it allows Coinbase to operate with more freedom and agility. On the other hand, it can make it harder for them to make quick decisions or change direction if needed. There's another wrinkle in the ownership story. In 2021, Coinbase took a major step. They went public. This means they listed their shares on a stock exchange, allowing anyone to invest in the company. Now, owning a share of Coinbase stock doesn't give you direct control over the company, but it does give you a stake in its success. So, to answer the original question definitively, Coinbase isn't owned by a single person or entity. It's a company built on the collective investment of venture capital firms and the public through the stock market. This unique ownership structure has its pros and cons, but it's a reflection of the innovative and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Remember, the world of crypto is still young, and regulations are constantly changing. Coinbase, along with the entire industry, is navigating uncharted territory. Who knows what the future holds for ownership structures in this space? One thing's for sure, it's an exciting time to be involved. Before you jump in and buy cryptocurrency, do your research. Understand the risks involved and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of crypto is full of potential, but it's also a volatile one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.